through my closet. About to leave and get my swipe on, but I can't leave the crib without some old school Nikes on. Gotta jump fresh cause I got brand new ice on. Yeah, I see my red ones, but my cold blue flight's gone. The hat gotta match the shoes, the shoes gotta match the shirt. The shirt complement the pants, that's the only way it works. I make these hoes go berserk. They love me cause I'm on TV. When you see me, more than likely I will probably have my
old school Nikes on, 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 old school Nikes on.
They see me at the mall, snatching Nikes off the wall. That's right, me and all my dogs.
Old school Nikes.
See, we don't pick, we buy. We on that prime time click shit over here, you feel me? Okay, we cannot fall. Hey, I stay suited up and booted up. Every day I'm zooted up. Joy Jeff lifestyle. Every day I'm moving up. Coming down, showing up. Best believe I brung a pair of black and white flights, match the trimming of my underwear. All I rock is high mids. Mama, look what I done did. Made myself super fly. Up there where the sky forbids. I am so official with it, no one can deny the kid. Stitched up, carved in, kinda like some hieroglyphs. Fix, Theraflu, my kick sit. Brand new shoes mean some brand new tweet pics. Red, white, black, boy. Prime time click shit. If you ain't us, you